Good morning, students. So we'll continue the next topic of chapter 4, non-contact force. So what are the non-contact force? Are those type of force which result even when the two interacting objects are not in physical contact with each other, yet are able to exert a push or pull despite their physical separation. Example of a non-contact force include gravitational force, magnetic force, and electrostatic force. So type of non-contact force, first is a gravitational force, the force of gravity in the force with which the earth, moon or other massively large object attract another object toward itself. All object upon earth experience a force of gravity which is directed downward towards the center of earth. You can see the examples are given. Next is a magnetic force. The force between two moving charges may be described as the effect exerted upon either charge by a magnetic field created by the others. So there is example of a magnetic force is a magnets. जब हम मैग्नेट्स के सेम पोल्स को एक दूसरे की तरफ लेके जाते हैं तो दे हैव अ रिपल्शन, बट व्हेन वी आर गेटिंग अपोजिट पोल्स ऑफ मैग्नेट्स then there is a attraction. So this is a magnetic force. Next is electrostatic force. The force exerted by a charged body on another charged or uncharged body is known as a electrostatic force. This force come into play even the bodies are not in contact. So this is about the non-contact force. Next is a pressure. So what is a pressure? Pressure is the force per unit area applied to an object in direction perpendicular to the surface. So I'll just show you the pressure in mathematically. The formula pressure is equal to force upon area. P is the pressure and F is the normal force and A is the area, and SI units of pressure is a Pascal. So there is some application about the pressure. Applications. First application is the decrease in the pressure of given force through an increase in the surface area over which the force act. So find many application in our day to day life. कुछ एक एप्लीकेशन दे रखी हैं जहाँ पर हमें प्रेशर ज़्यादा प्रेशर को कम करना पड़ता है और सरफेस एरिया को ज़्यादा करना पड़ता है. तो they have a lot of applications in our day to day life. First is buses and trucks usually have double wheels on the rear साइड्स. नॉर्मली आप सभी ने देखा होगा कि जो बसेस और ट्रक्स होते हैं उनके जो व्हील्स होते हैं वो डबल होते हैं ताकि हम उस प्रेशर को कम कर सकें. सेकेंड इज हाई राइज बिल्डिंग एंड डैम्स हैव अ वाइड बेसिस. डैम्स के जो बेस होते हैं बहुत वाइड बनाए जाते हैं ताकि प्रेशर्स कम से कम हो. थर्ड, टैंक एंड बुलडोजर आर फिटेड विद कैटरपिलर्स ट्रैक rather than wheels. Railway tracks are laid on large sized wooden or iron sleepers. So these are the application where we need to decrease pressure and to increase the surface area. The next applications where there are the many situations where we need to have a large pressure due to given force. In such case we decrease the area. तो कुछ एक एग्जांपल्स आपको दे रखे हैं जहाँ पर हमें प्रेशर ज़्यादा प्रेशर की ज़रूरत होती है और जहाँ पर हमें फोर्स को हम लोग कम कर. देयर आर द सम केसेस आर गिवन. फर्स्ट इज इट इज़ ईजियर टू कट विद द शार्प नाइफ देन अ ब्लंट नाइफ. Second is nail spin and spikes have pointed ends so that they can be driven into the surface with minimum effort. So these are the some examples of a pressures. प्रेशर्स के कुछ एक एप्लीकेशंस आपको थी. सो विल कंटिन्यू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक.